In this demonstration, we will learn to create global objects. Global objects are widely used as a way to reuse objects. If you have an object that you wish to put in a number of displays, you can create the object in one display and then copy and paste it to the other displays. However, when you want to make a change, you would have to change the object in each display, one by one. Global objects, on the other hand, continue to be linked to the base object. This means that when you make a change in the base object, the change is reflected in the reference objects automatically. Here, we have a Go To Display button that leads us to the main display. You can see that it is present in each of the displays. To create a global object, click Global Objects from the Graphics folder and the navigation tree. Copy the object from a display screen and paste it on the Global Objects display screen. This becomes the base object. We will make some changes to its visual style and then save and name the display screen. The Global Objects display screen looks like any other display, except that it is not loaded to the panel view at runtime, meaning it's only in the development project. When we copy and paste this global object to another display screen, it is still a Go To Display button. However, it has links, which you can see by clicking Global Object Defaults in the Edit tab menu. It is linked with expressions. The connections and the size are true. You can change these links on any individual object by going to the properties and changing them. For now, we will use the default settings. Next, we will replace these separate objects on the displays with a global object. Now, it doesn't look much different than from using regular objects, but where it saves time is that if we were to make changes to the global object, it would be reflected in the other display screens as well. Let's first save and close the display screens. Closing and saving is now complete. When we modify the global object, we can change the display it goes to, the parameter file, or the visual style. For now, we will change the color. Here, the change is not reflected in the other display screens, because it was already open. So we need to close this display and then open it again. Now you can see that the change has been reflected here and in the other display screens. Using global objects can save a lot of time, especially for more complicated objects. This concludes the demonstration.